What's up guys, here's Claudio from Reversible WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to fix a lot of issues that happens on your site when you update your Elementor WordPress plugin, okay? So how to roll back versions, so how to turn back to previous versions of Elementor WordPress page builder plugin into a simple, fast, effective and totally free way. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. Elementor is a very famous plugin for WordPress with millions of installations, okay, so 10 millions of installations or more. It's one of the favorite page builders and simple way to build your site. It's simple, it's fast, even into its free version it works great, so Elementor is well used, but sometimes Elementor updates automatically, it breaks your site completely. So, simple way to fix this. Go to your WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, go to browser address bar, your domain plus wp-admin, enter with username or email and password, review this left sidebar of menus, and find Elementor menu. Hover your mouse over it and click on Tools, okay? Right here on Tools, you're going to be able to find a couple of very useful options of Elementor. You have General, Replace, Version, Maintenance, Import and Export Kit. Go to Version Control, roll back to previous version. Experience an issue with Elementor version 3.29.0. Roll back to previous versions before issue appeared. So, imagine that you are using some add-on of Elementor, but this add-on simply broke on the latest version of Elementor. You can turn back to a lot of versions of Elementor with just a single click. For example, I would like to turn back to the 28.4. So all I have to do is select the version right here, click on reinstall, roll back to previous version. Are you sure you want to reinstall version? I recommend that you do a site backup before doing this, okay? In the case that you don't know how to do the website backup, go to YouTube, search for Visual Modo Backup, you're gonna be able to find our videos about it. Click on continue, wait a moment, roll back to previous version. All good. Plugin reactivated successfully. So the plugin is now reactive and into the version that you selected. In the case that you want to go back again for the latest version, all you have to do is click right here, update now. Simple, easy, and works great. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I see you guys tomorrow. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys later. All the best!